Good morning, students. Once again, you are most welcome in our English class. In the last video, we already started information transfer. Whenever we are talking about the information transfer, what is in that? In that, we have a information regarding any things, and we are transferring into the another types like verbal to non-verbal and non-verbal to verbal. And in that, we did the tree diagram. Today we are going to learn about the pie diagram. What is pie diagram and how we are going to develop the information transfer of that non-verbal to verbal. So let's see. Here we have an example. Following pie chart shows the mode of transport used by children for coming to school on the basis of the given pie chart. Write a brief summary. You can see over here we have a pie diagram, pie chart. On the basis of that, observing this pie chart, we have to write a summary of this diagram. If you are able to see this pie diagram, the circle is divided into the various parts and that are denoted by the percent wise. 50%. What is this 50%? School bus means it is a summary given by the pie diagram. Students are coming to the school by using which mode? So 50% are coming by school bus, 8% are coming by cycling, 17% are coming by the walking, and 4% use personal motorized vehicles, and 21% parents pick and drop. Means this is a given information, and on the basis of that we have to frame a sentence and write a brief summary according to this pie chart. Whenever we are writing the pie chart, we have to think regarding what is the information given in this pie chart. We have to start from there. And the most important thing, the maximum and the minimum. Whatever is the data given, the maximum and the minimum, we have to highlight that. And after that, one more thing we are going to do the comparison between any of the two or three. What we want, we have to do the comparison. And whenever we are doing the comparison, we have to use conjunction like and, but, while, whereas, like that. By using that conjunction, we have to write a brief summary regarding this given data, whatever we have in the question. So let's see how we are going to start. So always we have to start from our questions. Like you can see, the following pie chart shows the mode of transport used by children for coming to school. So just underline it, the whole sentence. So what we have to do, we are going to do a little bit change like the following. At the place of following, we have to write the given pie chart. The given pie chart shows the mode of transport used by children for coming to the school. That is the starting sentence. Always we have to start the information what is given regarding that, and that we have to pick from the question only. So let's see how you are going to write. As I said, the given pie chart. The given pie chart shows the mode of. The same thing we have to write what we have in a question. Mode of transport used by children for coming to school. This way we started our summary. After that, if you are able to see, you can see the maximum number of students, that is 50%. The maximum number of students use school bus to come to the school. So that we are going to write the next sentence. The maximum number of students, or we can say children, that is given in a sum, that is How much? 50%. Children come to school by school bus. So you can see here we mentioned that the maximum number of children, that is 50% children, come to school by school bus. Now here we have to do the comparison. Whereas 8%, take that 8% or the walking 17%. So we have to do the conjunction use while, WHILE, while. This is a conjunction that is used to join two sentences. The maximum number of children, that is 50% children, come to school by school bus, while that is given 17%. 17% of children come to school by walking. So this way we finish the two statements. After that you can see, just tick it, we did the school bus and we did the walking. Now 21% are the students which are picked and dropped by the parent. So just write it, 21% of children are picked and dropped by their parents. This also we finished. We cannot do anything. This is a general information. We did that. Now this 4% are the personal motorized vehicle used, and this 8% are using the cycling. So now these two we have to write at the same time. So how? Let's see. Only 4% of children, only 4% of children used personal motorized vehicle to come to school. So this way we did, and the remain is 8%. Whereas, just use the conjunction, whereas 8% children used cycling to come to school. So this way we completed all the given information in this summary. Now we have to close this paragraph with a statement like, in the starting we use the maximum number of children, 50% are using the school bus. So you can see the least number of, the minimum, the least percentage of the students or the children are using the personal motorized vehicle. So we observe that minimum number of children used personal motorized vehicles to come to school. So this way we finish the given pie chart in a brief summary. So always we have to keep in our mind, we should start from the given informations like the data what we have in the pie chart, and always we have to start from the given questions. Like in this we pick the statement from the question only. After that we did the two comparison between this and what is the maximum and what is the minimum, and briefly we used that all information in a statement voice, and we finished with a paragraph. So this way we have to conclude the given pie chart in a brief summary. On the basis of that, you have a homework for you. Here a pie diagram showing the results of the 100 students of standard 10 in semester examination. The diagram shows the number of students who failed in the subjects mentioned. Write a brief summary. You can see here we have a pie chart. In that the subject wise percentage you are able to see. Out of 100, 27% students are failed in English subject. So that way we have the all information regarding that. So you should be write a brief summary on this pie chart, and as we did in the today's video, start the first statement from the question only and complete your homework and submit it in your group. The next information transfer topic we have to continue in the next video. Thank you so much.